Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashionable blog. In today's video, I will be sharing with you types of makeup products with names. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Number 1. Face Serum. Number 2. Moisturizer. Number 3. Primer. Number 4. Beauty Blender Sponge. Number 5. Foundation. Number 6. Concealer. Number 7. Compact powder. Number 8. Loose powder. Number 9. Brushes set. Number 10. Contour. Number 11. Blush. Number 12. Highlighter. Number 13. Eyebrow bronzer. Number 14. Eyeshadow palette. Number 15. Eyeliner. Number 16. Mascara. Number 17. Eyelash curler. Number 18. Fake eyelashes. Number 19. Kajal. Number 20. Lip balm. Number 21. Lip pencil. Number 22. Bullet lipstick. Number 23. Lip gloss. Number 24. Makeup setting spray. Number 25. Nail paint. Number 26. Nail paint remover. Number 27. Makeup remover. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.